Top of the hour, let's talk about the Congress party, which has now made a fresh pitch for Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister of the country. You heard it right. This is now coming despite numerous poll defeats that the Congress has seen under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, the party which is once again batting for him as the PM. Now, it was Telangana Chief Minister this time who has made this pitch, and while addressing a gathering ahead of the Jai Hind Yatra Sabha in Hyderabad, Revanth Reddy has questioned the Modi government over the war outcomes, stating that we don't know who surrendered after 4 days of conflict. Echoing Rahul Gandhi, Revanth Reddy is now today seeking to rake up Trump's claim of mediation to corner the BJP government at the centre. The Telangana Chief Minister then went on to draw a comparison between Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi. He says that Prime Minister Modi was like an invalidated currency note of 1,000 rupees while making a strong pitch for Rahul Gandhi's leadership. Reddy stated that Rahul should rather become the Prime Minister, and that is only Rahul Gandhi who has the guts to take up back Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy further stated that it was only Rahul Gandhi who could fight both Pakistan and China on two fronts at the same time.
Modi kalam challina roopai మోడీ రద్దయిపోయిన 1000 రూపాయల నోటు లాంటోడు ఈ రోజు రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి నాయకత్వం ఈ దేశానికి అవసరం ఉన్నది. రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి నాయకుడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి ఉంటే ఇందిరాగాంధీని ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకొని అపరకాలి ఆదర్శ మార్గంలో నడిచి పాకిస్తాన్ రెండు ముక్కలు చేసి పాకిస్తాన్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ కాశ్మీర్ ని హిందుస్థాన్ లో చేర్పించుండేవాడు రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి వాడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. ఇందిరా గాంధీ గారి మనమడైన రాహుల్ గాంధీ ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. వారు ప్రధానమంత్రి అయితేనే ఒక పక్కన పాకిస్తాన్ ఇంకొక పక్కన చైనాను యుద్ధంలో ఓడించి భారతీయుల ఆత్మ గౌరవాన్ని నిలబెట్టాడు.
Now, as far as the Congress party is concerned, it has lost over 90 elections that were fought under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. These include debacles, multiple state elections, parliamentary elections of 2014, 2019, 2024. And that is not all. BJP time and again has mocked Rahul Gandhi's leadership as unimpressive, highlighting his poor strike rate. Let's take a look at the states and the union territories where Congress doesn't even have a single seat despite being the principal opposition party. Where the BJP, which has branded Rahul Gandhi as unimpressive, the Congress has been calling out as far as when it comes to the leadership of Rahul Gandhi is concerned. According to him, he can become the next Prime Minister. Let's speak of the state of West Bengal. Total seats 294, Congress seats 0. Andhra Pradesh, total seats 175, Congress seats 0. National capital Delhi, total seats 70, Congress seats again striking a 0 for the hat-trick that happened for the third time. Nagaland, total seats 60, Congress seats 0. Sikkim, total seats 32, Congress seats 0. So these are 5 states and union territories, total seats that come close to 631. The Congress's strike rate 0. Now, the Prime Minister, while speaking in the Parliament in February last year, remember, had taken a swipe at Rahul Gandhi, saying that Congress's shop is on the verge of being locked as it keeps launching the same product again and again without any success.
एक ही प्रोडक्ट बार बार लॉन्च करने के चक्कर में कांग्रेस की दुकान ताला लगने की नौबत आ गई है. अरे दुकान हम नहीं कह रहे, आप लोग कह रहे हैं. आप लोग कहते हैं दुकान खोली है, सब जगह पे बोलते हैं. दुकान को ताला लगने की बात आई.
Well, Somit is also connected with us. Somit, good morning. Is the Congress party forgetting its own track record?
Well, Amita, see, this is not the first time. Even earlier, BJP has several times attacked the Congress party, and even once Rahul Gandhi has accepted the defeat. And, even we have just heard Prime Minister and even all the union cabinet ministers or the other top BJP leaders, top BJP brass, they've been attacking Congress party for Parivarwad, and also, Rahul Gandhi couldn't lead the party. And at the same time, as yesterday, Jai Hind Yatra was organized by Congress top leadership of the Telangana, and they were seen, holding massive rally, and later Revanth Reddy has addressed the massive gathering, and he has stated that he has now pitched that, only Rahul Gandhi could, fight the two-front war. He could defeat both Pakistan and China, and if he would have been the Prime Minister of the country, then he would have defeated and uphold, the self-respect of entire Indians is what even Revant Reddy was saying, and he said that we should take a promise and we should ensure that whatever the elections might come, in all the elections we should ensure that we should vote for Rahul Gandhi and we should make him Prime Minister. So we should wait and see how the BJP responds this time. But very interesting pitch, and again, voting for the Parivarwad is what even Revant Reddy was saying.
Well, party politics and party leadership above everything, is that the Congress's agenda when it comes to facing elections that would be taking place in the upcoming states like in Bihar and in West Bengal as well? For the moment, Souvin, thank you very much for joining in.